So you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the watch is on. Maybe you can hear some sounds coming out of it. Maybe you can hear it vibrate. Anyway, the only thing that doesn't come on is just the screen. I'm going to give you a few solutions, get you up and running right now. By the end of this video, at least 80% of you guys should be up and running, okay? First thing to take note that this one here is actually working, but let's pretend I have a black screen here, okay? So first thing you want to do is go ahead and force restart it, okay? Now if you look on the side here, you have two buttons here. What I want to do is press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see a Samsung logo, then let go of both buttons, okay? We're going to do it together, okay? Both buttons, ready? 1, 2, 3, press and hold. Pretend my screen is black here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding on to those two buttons. Still holding, just waiting for the Samsung logo to appear. Still holding. Oh, there it is. Go ahead and let go. And now hopefully you are up and running. If you're still down with a black screen, then we're going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so if you still have the black screen, next thing I want you to do is this. Okay, so first thing what I want you to do is I want you to spam both the buttons on here. Spamming by pressing in and out, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and press in and out, both buttons. Like this, in and out. Because if you have coffee, water, it could be soda, dust, debris, it can cause an issue with one of these buttons, and it can cause the issue with the black screen as well. So go ahead and just keep spamming like that. Now, go ahead and grab your charger, pop it on there, and wait about 10-15 seconds, okay? 10-15 seconds, we're going to come back, and now with it on the charger, we're going to press and hold both buttons again, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, press and hold. Pretend my watch is totally black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding on both buttons here while it's charging, waiting for a Samsung logo. There it is. Go ahead and let go. And now hopefully you are back up and running. All right, so if the second step didn't work, now before we go to the last step, the third possible step, before you try the third step, what I want you to do is start from the, try the first two steps again, okay? Try to just press and hold naked like this. Doesn't work, then remember, go ahead and spam the buttons, put it on the charger, and then go ahead and force restart it again. All right, the thing is, if it didn't work after your second time, try it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, okay? Sometimes the 7th time is a charm. Anyway, if you tried it 7 times and you're still down, then the last thing I have for you is to do a factory reset. So what you can do is go to your phone, and you want to go to the Galaxy Wearable app. Let's see, mine's in here. You can tap on that, and then you can go to watch settings here, and then from here go down to general, and then scroll down to the very bottom. It says reset here. You can tap that, and you can tap right here to perform a factory reset. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you're going to lose all your personal information and everything on here. Once a factory reset is done, it's going to be pretty much as if you bought this brand new and took it out of the box, okay? And the factory reset will only work maybe only for some of you, okay? Anyway, if one of these options worked for you, give me a thumbs up and let me know what step worked for you. If it didn't work for you, make sure you give me a thumbs down. We should see at least an 80% up, or 80% like or thumbs up, guys, okay? Good luck.